Welcome to the Caffè Bellissimo.
Okay, we're gonna make pasta. I always cook extra pasta so I can save it in the refrigerator, and then anytime I wanna eat, I can make a meal in 5 minutes. So you start by putting water in your pot. Usually I like to use hot water. If you have a hot water dispenser, use that. Otherwise, use the hot water from your water heater. It's okay. It's gonna kill any bugs when it boils. And then put in a tablespoon of salt. You see that? Nice tablespoon. You can't cook Italian food or pasta without salt. Doesn't taste as good. Put that in. Okay. And some people say you should put it after because it boils faster, but I usually put it so I don't forget it, because it won't taste right if you forget it. Then we're gonna make the sauce. This is gonna take a lot longer to cook than the sauce. Okay, there's the avocado. Now smash it all up. Smash it all up, good. All right, cool. Now at this point, if you don't have any pesto, which I got this from Trader Joe, but you can get it from Costco's, got a bigger jar, which is good. This one's good too. So we'll take some of that, we're gonna mix it with the avocado. Okay, we got like a spoonful of pesto. Now the pesto is already seasoned, so you don't have to put anything else, pretty much. We'll see and taste it in a minute. Smash it together. Meanwhile, the water's boiling, almost. For the pasta, not yet. Okay. Smash it all together there. Smash it all together. Nice. Blend it together. Okay. Okay, the water's now boiling. I'm gonna put the 1 pound of pasta, because I like to save it for later. Okay, this is rigatoni. I like short pasta because it keeps easier in the refrigerator when you go to use it again. But you can cook any pasta like this. Okay, stir it up so it doesn't stick together. And throughout the process of about 7 or 8 minutes, you gotta stir it about once every couple minutes to make sure it doesn't stick together. So if you cover the pan when you put it on the water and the pasta, it'll cook faster. Okay, I put extra virgin olive oil in this frying pan. That's probably about, I don't know, 2 or 3 spoonfuls. Okay, lower the flame on the pesto and simmer it very low. Now, if you didn't have the pesto that you buy with all the seasonings in it, you put in some chopped garlic, some pepper, some salt, and some people put parsley chopped really fine. Also, you can put a little cheese in there if you want. You're cooking for yourself, just experiment. Okay, this is ready. You cook this very short time, because they'll burn otherwise if it starts turning brown. Just make sure it's like that. Only like 1 minute or 2 minutes or something like that. Okay, so we're gonna put this aside until the pasta, turn off the fire, put it aside until the pasta is ready. Stir the pasta. Right now it still feels like it's too hard, but pretty soon you're gonna have to taste it to make sure it's done. Make sure when you put the lid that you leave a little space to breathe, otherwise it's gonna overflow. Okay, the pasta, I'm gonna test the pasta. It needs another minute. When you take it out, you can still chew it on your teeth, but if it's too hard to chew, then cook it a little longer. Right now I need to cook about another minute. Okay, I think it's about ready. In Italian we cook it al dente, which means to the texture of your teeth. If you think it's ready, it's ready. Don't make it too mushy, especially if you're gonna save it. But turn the flame back on the pesto. Not too high, all right? Then put in the pasta. This pesto, this sauce that I made, it's probably enough for 2 people, for sure. But right now I'm only gonna mix some for myself. Make sure you mix it up good. You can even flip it. Thick. Okay, we're gonna let it simmer just a little bit on this pesto sauce. You can put a little drop of water in there to make a mix easier. So, okay, it's ready, only like 2 minutes, that's it. This is the pasta extra. So, what we do is we put a little bit of olive oil in there, like that. And then you mix it up. That way I'll keep it from sticking for next time. Then you, after it cools down, you put it in a plastic bag, Ziploc bag or container or whatever, and just put it in the refrigerator. They do this in every restaurant, unless it's one of those private restaurants. And you keep the pasta. And when you need pasta, bang, 5 minutes, you make the sauce, you're done. Bon appetit. Here it is. Look at it. Now, pesto's made also with fresh basil, you know. So if you have fresh basil, you can make your own pesto. Okay, bon appetit. See, if you have pasta pre-cooked in the refrigerator, it lasts like 2-3 weeks. You can make pasta in 5 minutes. You can make this in like literally less than 5 minutes. Yeah. You gotta get the pasta hot when you put it in the frying pan now. Put it in boiling water first and then put it in. You can also mix it with rice. It'll work just as good. You can also put in shrimp, you can put tomatoes, you can put anything you want, just experiment. This one is just plain and simple. Okay, it's time to check it out. But you know, make sure you have a little glass of Pinot Grigio, goes really good, or beer. Yeah, salud. Okay, let's check the pasta out. You see there's a lot of sauce, so you can make it for 2 easy. Man, I tell you, it's fantastic. Just try it. It's amazing. No shave and protest to the coronavirus. Try it at home. Takes 10 minutes total, or less. It's a great meal. Put some bread, salad, whatever you want with it, and you got it. A salud. Live longer, eat well. Take care of yourself, stay happy, and take it easy. Just do the best you can. We'll be out of this pretty soon. The more you drink, the better it gets.